morning. Welcome to PHAB Fest. I've asked all of our volunteers to do a lovely video so then you can learn who they are. Shall we watch it? Oh, by the way, I'm not in it. Shh.
Hello, welcome to PHAB Fest. I'm Andy, I'm one of the co-leaders for Freedom Camp this year.
Hi, I'm Jess and I'm Adult 2020.
Hi, I'm Gemma, co-leader of Break Free 2.
Hello, I'm Jeremy and I'm a Venture Camp volunteer.
My name's Paul and I'm one of the co-leaders from Freedom Camp.
Hi, I'm Phil and I'm co-leader of Venture 2020.
Hi, my name's Emma and I'm a co-leader of Adult Breakaway 2020. Hi, I'm Amy and co-leader of Break Free 2.
Hello, I'm Lauren and I'm a joint leader of Junior Camp 2020.
I'm Maxine Ross-Wallace from Birmingham PHAB Camps. I've worked for the charity for 35 years.
And that's all the leaders. Now it's over to you. We would like you to do your own splash intro video introducing all of the young people on camp this year. Check out the Facebook page on details of how to do your video and how to send it to us. Hope to see you at all the events this week. Have a wonderful week. We'll see you soon. Bye.
Well, wasn't that lovely? And thank goodness I didn't have to do it. My name's Jen. Welcome to PHAB Fest.